Hello, everyone. After winter, we should eat more Chinese cabbage. Today, I'll share a divine recipe with tofu that's incredibly delicious and easy to make. Start by soaking Chinese cabbage leaves in salted water for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare a piece of tender tofu by cutting it into thick slices, then into long strips, and finally, into large pieces. Set the tofu aside. Take 2 pieces of lean meat, slice them thinly, then chop into minced meat, or use pre-minced chicken or pork, if preferred. Prepare small ingredients like 2 sliced green onions, a few cloves of garlic, and 2 millet peppers cut into rings. Add more peppers if you like it spicy, and set them aside. After soaking, rinse, and dry the cabbage, then cut it into large pieces. For the sauce, mix 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon each of pepper powder, salt and chicken essence, a little sugar, a few drops of sesame oil, and a bowl of water. Stir well. Beat 2 eggs in another bowl and coat the tofu with the egg mixture. Lay the cabbage on the bottom of a casserole and optionally add side dishes like steamed mushrooms, tofu skin, or bamboo shoots. Heat oil in a pan. Fry the tofu coated in egg liquid until golden on all sides. Then place it in the casserole. In the same pan, heat more oil and stir-fry the minced meat until it changes color. Add the green onion, garlic, ginger, and chili, and for added flavor, include a spoonful of tofu skin sauce. Once fragrant, pour in the prepared sauce. Cook for 2 minutes, and then pour the mixture into the casserole. Cover and simmer for 8 minutes on medium-low heat. After simmering, sprinkle green onion on top, and your flavorful, nutritious pot of cabbage and tofu buns is ready to serve. Perfect for cold weather, this dish warms the heart and the stomach with its blend of meat, vegetables, eggs, and mushrooms. The side dishes absorb the meat's juices, making them even tastier. This simple yet satisfying recipe is a must-try for your family.